Prediction one. So this guy predicted in 2025, the global security laws will be significantly changed, reflecting a growing need for comprehensive regulatory frameworks. And I would say that's partially true because we just looked at the EU's AI Act, which they just released, pretty serious in the EU. As world leaders, we're going to follow some of the leads that they have in here with that. So that's partially true, I think. And then the U.S. headed for a period of reduced regulatory enforcement, and yes, that's true as well. One part I think that he's off on is he says the United States is headed toward into a period of reduced regulatory enforcement and potentially deregulation, although it's unclear if established cybersecurity regulations will be affected by initiatives like Doge. Yeah, unclear. And I would argue, thanks. I would argue that Doge talked a good game about AI having some kind of impact, but really it wasn't about AI. The it was more of a political move. It was more of a political move for Doge. I would haven't been on the receiving end of this. Like I was in w- am working in industries where this is impacted. I'm impacted directly by this. And I have some other coworkers coming out of places like USAID and places like I don't know, other governments, other people in this industry impacted by Doge. And it wasn't, I'll put it to you like this. They talked a good game about AI, using more AI, and then firing a bunch of people. But in reality, I'm speaking for myself from what I saw with my own eyes. They talked about it, but we're probably a year away from them actually implementing this stuff. It's a year away because there's too many moving parts within each within each department, a sub department or offices. There's too many moving parts.